Today we're solving a real e-commerce problem. StyleHaven redesigned their checkout. Cart abandonment went up drastically. The conversion team blames UX. UX blames pricing module. And the CEO wants answers by Friday. We have 6 usability test recordings and a checkout funnel data. Let's find out what's actually happening. Go to FableSenseAI.com and log into their dashboard. First, create a project and upload everything. Now, I am uploading all the 6 usability test transcripts together. These are think-aloud sessions where users narrated their checkout experience. FableSense AI automatically performs a sentiment analysis, which gives me a head start before coding. And the funnel dataset. It contains 25 sessions with timestamps, cart values, and whether they completed purchase. I'll start by coding our transcript documents. Let's head to the qualitative coding workspace and quickly create the hierarchical color codes. For checkout analysis, I'm creating codes based on common abandonment reasons from the literature. Notice I have both negative and positive codes. I want to understand what works, not just what fails. Let's code Karen's session. She was shopping for a dress. The shipping cost of $14.99 wasn't shown until payment. She felt tricked. Let's see if this pattern repeats. Now, let's code Derek's session. Derek was ready to buy. He just couldn't pay the way he wanted to. If we had digital wallet options integrated, he would have completed his payment. He thought he would come back when he have his wallet. But he never did. Now let's code another session. Chris is from Canada. The site didn't detect his location. He thought $79 was Canadian dollars. Finding out it was USD killed the purchase. Let me use the AI suggestion feature and code all the remaining sessions. The AI either creates new codes or add new quotes to the existing ones. I can review the codes before applying, thus giving me the flexibility to either accept or ignore them. Now, let's visualize our dataset and look at what the numbers tell us. FableSense AI uses natural language query feature, which allows me to ask anything about my dataset in plain English. First, let's ask the AI to show completion rate by country. The AI will process the query and generate a visualization with confidence score. Wow! Not a single international user completed their purchase. This aligns perfectly with Chris's currency confusion. Let's ask another query to know where the users are abandoning their purchase. Users who abandoned spent twice as long on the payment page. They weren't confused. They were calculating shipping plus tax plus exchange rate and deciding it wasn't worth it. Time to connect the dots. But I don't want a summary grid. I want to see the user's words next to the numbers. For that, let's create a split-view joint display. The split-view display allows us to analyze qual and quant data side by side. Left panel shows every coded quote organized by theme. The right panel shows quant data in graphical views as well as in a statistical view. I'll switch to the statistics view so we can see the hard numbers. Same screen. No switching tabs, no separate tools. Karen said, "I feel tricked." Chris said, "Feeling low-key scammed." Right next to their words, only 36% of sessions complete purchase. Users spend an average of 67.5 seconds on the payment page. These people weren't confused by the interface. They were calculating shipping plus tax plus exchange rate, and they decided it wasn't worth it. Missing payment methods. Derek wanted to pay. We didn't let him. He said he'd come back later. He didn't. The completion rate tells the story. Only 36%. I can switch between interactive charts for exploration and statistics, for the hard numbers. Same split view, both perspectives. I can drag the divider to focus on whichever side matters. Right now, the quotes tell the story. The numbers confirm it. And if I need the systematic overview for my report, the integration matrix joint display shows every theme against every metric in one grid. Here's our answer: the unexpected shipping and completed purchase. It shows that users tend to abandon their cart due to unexpected shipping cost. Now come to missing Apple Pay, PayPal, and completed purchase. Due to the lack of Apple Pay or PayPal payment methods, users are abandoning their purchase at the payment stage. Lastly, currency confusion and completed purchase. Due to currency confusions, we are literally losing every customer at checkout. So what do we tell the CEO? 1. Show shipping estimate on the product page. 2. Add Apple Pay and PayPal. We're losing ready-to-pay customers. 3. Auto-detect location and show local currency. Every international visitor is abandoning. These aren't just opinions. They're backed by integrated qual and quant data. The usability quotes explain why. The funnel data proves how much. In one session, we went from "everyone has a theory" to "here are the 3 fixes prioritized by impact." That's the power of integrated mixed methods analysis. FableSense AI. Stop guessing and start proving. Try free at FableSenseAI.com.